Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Monday morning, so time to open the little collage assignments book. And today we are on week 43 and it's the last page in this little book. So we'll be starting a new book next week or doing something somehow for the rest of the year. So anyway, today's prompts are something that represents spring, something ornate, a shoe, something stencilled, a tea bag cover, and the bonus is a photo or portion of a photo. So I'm going to switch out the tea bag cover for the bonus photo or portion of a photo. So something that represents spring. I have this piece from a magazine, which is Blossom on the Tree. So we get blossoms on the tree here in the spring. It's a shame because the first wind comes and then all the blossoms are gone. They may be here for a few days and then it's all in the ground. But anyway, it's nice when it's here. Something ornate, I have this sticker cut from the antiquarian sticker book, which looks like a peacock metalwork fence. So that's very ornate. I'm going to put that somewhere there. A shoe. I have this shoe, again a sticker from the antiquarian book. The little blue tip might get covered up, I'm not sure. A shoe, so something stencilled. I have this stencil, which will stencil somewhere maybe in the background here or in the corner. And the bonus is a photo or a portion of a photo, and I have this photograph here of this young gentleman. This is a Tim Holtz figure. So, and I just thought he would sit in the shoe, as you do, with his ornate wings. And yeah, sort of like that. He's got metalwork wings and he's sitting in a big shoe. So let's get a little stenciling done on this corner maybe. I've got my stenciling sheet here and I think we'll just do this corner. These little Versamagic chalk inks that I've got are quite old and they're quite dry, so I'm happy just to stencil straight on to the without using a brush or a little pad or anything, because they are quite dry, and I'm just going to take my chances and not tape the stencil down. I just want a little hint of the pink on this. Whoops, there, we shouldn't have taken the chances. Here we are. Is that back on? Yeah, just about there. Let's see how that looks. That's okay. I wonder if we should have another wee touch up here. Yeah, and maybe another little bit down this corner. That's fine. So let's get that down. I'll just use this to stick with my glue stick, seeing as how it's here. So 42 weeks, oh no, 43, yeah, so just 9 to go. Wow, that's been a quick year. So I think, let's see, will we put the shoe down first, because that definitely needs to go. There, and then we can just place the other thing in an appropriate spot. So we'll put the shoe there. Oh, I've maybe put that a little bit low down. No, it's fine. He's sat there quite the thing. So let's get the back off this. The Antiquarian book of stickers has got some really unusual stickers, but there's a border round the stickers. But what I do is I fussy cut. I just want to make sure I'm getting this in the middle. That'll be fine there. And if his wings aren't straight, well, maybe he's a fallen angel and his wings aren't just going to be straight. Yeah, so I cut round the stickers so that the border isn't there. I think that'll do them. Yeah. What do you think? He definitely is a fallen angel. I don't think they are straight. So I've got something that represents spring with my blossom. I've got something ornate. I've got a shoe, something stenciled, and a photograph, or a portion of a photograph. So that's it for the last one in the book. That's just a little plastic pocket on the back page. And yeah, number 1, number 43. It's just a pity that there's not some more pages, but anyway, we'll come up with a plan. So there you go, that's this week's collage, and yeah, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.